The Perceptrader AI Expert Advisor just doubled my account again. This is 7 attempts so far with this robot in an experiment I am running over a 12-month period. My first account started on the 16th of April 2024, so this experiment has been going for just over 4 months. And the first account was a 1,000 account, and it took 42 days to double on the IC Markets broker. This is a real account. Account number 2 ran at the same time on the same broker, IC Markets, but instead of a 1,000 account, I used a 1.7 thousand account to see if it would take longer because it is a bigger starting amount, and it took only 1 day longer to double this account. Account number 3 was again running at the same time on a different broker, Go Markets. However, I made a mistake when I was setting up this account and I put in the wrong settings. I did fix it about a third of the way though, which is why it took 64 days to double this account. Account number 4 did blow up after about 2.5 weeks. Account number 5 and 6 ran at the same time on different brokers, Go Markets and IC Markets, and they both blew up at the same time. Account number 7 is the latest one, taking 38 days to double, and this one started off with a 1,000 account and is now up at just over $2,000. Notice here I am running all 6 currency pairs and it is fairly balanced. This is a real account on the 8-cap broker. It took 77 trades to double, and if you look closely at the lot sizes, you can see it increases as the account increases. We're starting off at 0.1, and if I scroll down all the way to the bottom, you see the ending lot size is 0.2. Here are the settings I have used for every single challenge so far with the Perceptrader AI Expert Advisor. I'm going to hit reset so we know that this is the starting default settings. And first I'm going to change lot sizing method from low risk up to dynamic lots based on balance, fixed lots of 0.01, and then dynamic lots. So here I'm going to change it to $100. So this means for every $100 in the account, we're going to trade at 0.01 lot size. Next, scroll down all the way down to trading setup, and instead of unique trades, I'm going to set it to standard trades. And on this particular broker, you can see on the left hand side I've got a suffix of .i, so I'm going to change the symbol suffix to .i. And that is all I do to change the settings for this experiment. In terms of the trades on a chart, I'm going to show you by holding Shift and dragging all my trades from the account history to the top, which will add all the trades historically onto the chart. And you can see this is a typical grid martingale expert advisor where all the trades either close off in profit, like this buy trade in the middle here, or when we have a bunch of sell trades and the price is going against us, the expert advisor will open more and more trades in increasing lot size until we finally see a retracement and all the trades are closed off in profit. This is part of an experiment I am running over 12 months in order to protect my trading capital with high risk grid martingale expert advisors, because they can have huge big drawdowns. So instead of trading low risk settings on a big account and risking all my funds, I am trying out a high risk settings on small accounts, so I never risk all my capital at once. I do expect a few blown accounts along the way, so you do need to understand the risks associated with this approach, and this is definitely not financial advice or a recommendation. 7 attempts so far in 4 months with this experiment, so I am currently up $1,700. What's next? Time to withdraw the $1,000 in profits and start again and attempt to double another account. Now, the reason I chose this specific robot for this challenge because it has inbuilt settings to simulate withdrawals in the settings, and it also has settings that will automatically increase the lot sizes for you, because I don't want to be going in and manually checking the robot every single day and adjusting the lot sizes. Only after backtesting and simulating the withdrawals over a 12-month process was I confident enough with this robot to attempt this challenge with my own money. If you want to watch my backtesting and how I was able to simulate 12 months of withdrawals, watch this video here. Bye!